The Cardiac Conduction System by Claire Jungwirth. The heart is the most vital organ of the body. In a normal lifespan, it beats about 2.5 billion times, tirelessly delivering oxygenated blood to organs and tissues around the body. Without this important pumping action, life ceases to be animated. Now, in my childhood memories, this haunting scene in Indiana Jones displays that even when the heart has been removed from the chest cavity, it continues to beat. Now, mind you, this may not be an exact scientific representation of the heart removal procedure, but funnily enough, it has some truth to it. This unique, self excitable rhythmic beat of the heart is called the cardiac conduction system. It begins in the sinoatrial node, or the SA node. It's located in the upper part of the right atrium and is a collection of specialized cardiac muscle fiber cells. It is inactive during most of diastole, which is relaxation, when the atria fills with blood. When active, it generates a pacemaker action potential through spontaneous depolarization. Now, a quick recap: depolarizing is when the inside of a cell becomes positive. This creates a charge that is spread through the conduction system via gap junctions, causing neighboring cells to also depolarize, which results in a contraction. The coordinated depolarizing continues from the SA node to both atria via the Bachmann's bundle, located on the superior of the heart. Simultaneously, it travels down the cardiac muscle fibers of the right atrium until it reaches another collection of cells called the atrioventricular node. Here, a delay occurs due to cell structure differences. For a tenth of a second, it slows as to allow the full contraction of the atria to squeeze blood into the ventricles before continuing on. Without this delay, the chambers of contractions would be working against each other. The bundle of His is the location of unity for the cardiac muscle fibers, as it passes through gap junctions between the thick cardiac muscle walls that separate the left and the right ventricles. It travels down separate left and right bundles until the apex of the heart. This is where it branches upwards through the Purkinje fibers. The impulse is spread through the ventricular walls and creates the most powerful contraction of the heartbeat, as it squeezes blood out of the aortic and pulmonary valves to where it's needed in the body. Early diastole sets in for the ventricles, just as the SA node sets off another impulse to repeat the cycle again. This happens in about 0.2 of a second since the original impulse. So, in conclusion, the cardiac conduction system consists of distinctive components that initiate and conduct the electrical impulse required for the coordinated contraction of the heart chambers. It consists of specialized cardiac muscle fibers, sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. These all contribute to the self-depolarizing nature of the heartbeat and show how they work independent of the rest of the body to beat, even outside of the body.